Alright, so we're gonna run a speed test here. So it's about 161 download speed and 21 megabits upload speed. That is with the Lynx mesh system. Alright, so we've been using this Lynx whole house mesh system for the past 6 months, and it's been dropping a lot, giving us a lot of problems. Really not worth the cost of what I paid for it. I thought this would solve all our connectivity problems as far as getting drop signals and slow internet speed, but it really hasn't. It's a tri-band whole home Wi-Fi 5 system, which it has 3 nodes. So we're gonna replace that with this Netgear Nighthawk AC1900. Now this is different from the mesh system because it's only one router. It's not like this right here that has the 3 nodes. You place them in different places around your house and it just bounces that same signal off, which gives you less drop signal, but it really doesn't work. So we've been doing a lot of reviews on this one, or reading a lot of reviews, and this one's supposed to work a little bit better. So let's connect it and check it out and see how it actually works. Alright, installation is pretty simple and straightforward. All we had to do was download the app. Now we're going to go ahead and continue with installation. I'm not going to bore you with this whole process. It's pretty much the same as every other router you have to connect. Alright, so we got everything set up. Now let's try the speed test. So downloading, we're at 280. What was it before? 160?
Yeah.
Wow. And this was 21. Upload. No real change on the upload speed, but the download speed went up by about 100 megabits per second. That's crazy. This is crazy right here. And this is just one system. This is not the mesh system, but where it's really gonna count, where we really need it, is upstairs. And it's about a good 800 feet away. So let's check that out. Let's go run a speed test upstairs. Alright, so we ran the speed test here, and before, your download speed was what, about 80 to 100 megabits per second?
Correct.
And the upload speed was about 21, right?
You're like 20-ish.
20-ish.
Sometimes like went even like 17.
And now it went up to 23, which is a good thing. Alright, so overall, it's been a success so far.